stop. Before you say anything else in English today, answer this. Do you speak English? Or are you speaking English right now? Which question makes sense? Which one fits? And why are they both correct but used in completely different moments?
If you just felt your brain do a little spin, perfect, because that spin is exactly what we are solving today. And by the end of this episode, asking questions in English is going to feel completely effortless.
Welcome to English Flow Podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm William. And we are jumping straight in today because this topic is too important and too useful to waste a single second.
Do you and are you? Two of the most common question starters in the entire English language, used hundreds of times every single day by native speakers, and mixed up constantly by learners at every level.
But here is the exciting thing. The rule behind them is beautifully simple, and once you feel it, you will never ask the wrong question again.
Do you asks about habits, facts, regular patterns of life, what someone normally does.
Are you asks about right now, this moment, what someone is currently doing or experiencing.
Normal life habits? Do you? This exact moment? Are you?
And the difference is not just grammar. It is about what you actually want to know. What information are you asking for? A pattern or a moment?
Get that right, and every question you ask in English will hit exactly where it should.
Subscribe to English Flow Podcast right now if you have not already. And let's make this click.
Let's flow. Before examples, before anything, let's feel exactly what each question is reaching for, because understanding the intent behind the question is everything.
Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. You want to know about their life, their job, their interests, their routines.
Do you like coffee? You are not asking if they are drinking coffee right now. You are asking about their general preference, their habit, their usual relationship with coffee. Do you, in general, like it?
Do you work in the city? Not asking what they are doing at this exact moment, asking about their regular professional life, their routine, their general situation.
Do you exercise regularly? Their habit, their pattern, something they do again and again.
All of those do you are asking about the pattern of someone's life, the regular, the general, the usual.
Now, different scenario. You call a friend and they sound breathless and stressed.
Are you okay? Right now, at this moment, their current state.
Are you busy at the moment? Right now, currently. Not in general, just right now.
Are you still coming tonight? A current plan, a current intention, right now.
Are you always asking about the current moment, the present state, what is happening or what someone is experiencing right now?
Pattern and routine, do you? Current moment and state, are you?
And once you understand what you are trying to find out, the question almost chooses itself.
What do I want to know? A general habit, do you? A current moment, are you?
Let's now explore each one properly, starting with do you. Do you, the present simple question form. And the feeling of do you is reaching into someone's regular life, their patterns, their preferences, their facts.
When you ask a do you question, you are not asking about this second. You are asking about their general experience, their usual behavior, their characteristic choices.
Do you drink tea or coffee? A preference question. Not what they are drinking right now, what they usually prefer. Do you?
Do you speak any other languages? A fact about their abilities, not what they are currently speaking, what they know. Do you?
Do you enjoy traveling? A general interest, a habitual preference. Not what they are doing now, what they enjoy in general. Do you?
Do you have any siblings? A permanent fact about their family, not current, always true. Do you?
In all of those, do you is digging into something stable, something permanent or regular about a person, something that was true yesterday and will be true tomorrow.
And do you is used with the base form of the verb, always. The verb never changes after do you.
Do you like, not do you likes.
Do you know, not do you knows.
Do you want, not do you wants.
Do you, base form, always. That is the rule.
And the signal words that tell you a do you question is the right choice, the same ones we know from the present simple.
Usually, often, sometimes, never, always, every day, every week, in general, normally, regularly.
Do you usually walk to work? Usually. habit. Do you?
Do you often eat out? Often. Regular pattern. Do you?
Do you always feel this confident before a presentation? Always. Characteristic pattern. Do you?
Now, do you is also used to ask about opinions and feelings that are not momentary, feelings that are general and lasting.
Do you believe in second chances? A general belief, a value, something that is consistently part of who they are. Do you?
Do you think this is a good idea? Asking for their general opinion or judgment. Do you?
Do you feel ready for this? This is interesting. Feel ready. Here, it is asking about their general sense of readiness, not their feeling in this exact second. Do you?
And do you is how you begin small talk, how you begin getting to know someone, how you open conversations that explore who a person is in their daily life.
Do you live around here? Getting to know someone's life.
Do you come here often? A classic.
The classic. Do you? The question that opens doors, that invites someone to share their world. Now, are you? The present continuous question form. And the feeling of are you is reaching into this exact moment, checking on someone's current state, current action, current plan.
When you ask an are you question, you are asking about right now. What is happening? What someone is currently experiencing or doing. Not usually, not always, just now.
Are you listening? Right now, in this conversation, at this moment. Are you paying attention? Are you?
Are you feeling okay? Right now. Your current physical or emotional state. Not in general, just now. Are you?
Are you enjoying the course? During this period. Currently. Not a lifetime preference. A current experience. Are you?
Are you waiting for someone? Right now. In this moment. Standing here. Waiting. Are you?
In all of those, are you is checking on something alive and current. Something happening right now or during a current period.
And are you is always followed by the ing form of the verb. Always, without exception.
Are you listening? Not are you listen.
Are you coming? Not are you come.
Are you working? Not are you work.
Are you, ing form. Always. That is the form.
And the signal words that tell you an are you question is the right choice. The present continuous time words.
Right now, at the moment, currently, these days, this week, today, still.
Are you still working on that project? Still. Ongoing at this moment. Are you?
Are you currently looking for a new job? Currently, the present period. Are you?
Are you seeing anyone at the moment? At the moment. Current situation. Are you?
Are you coming to the party tonight?
A near future arranged plan. Are you? And this last one, are you coming? Is beautiful because it shows that are you can also ask about plans that are already being arranged or decided. Not habits, but upcoming intentions that are already in motion.
Are you joining us for lunch? An immediate near future plan. Are you?
Are you traveling this weekend? Already planned or being considered. Are you?
Are you moving to the new office next month? An arranged upcoming event. Are you?
Now, are you is also used to ask about someone's current state, how they are right now, what they are experiencing.
Are you nervous? Your state right now, before the big moment. Are you?
Are you cold? Right now, in this room, at this moment. Are you?
Are you serious right now? In this moment, about what you just said. Are you?
Are you? The question that reaches into the present moment, the current experience, the right now. Let's put them right next to each other. Same topic, different form, completely different meaning.
Let's go.
Do you work from home versus are you working from home at the moment?
Do you work from home asking about their general arrangement, their regular situation, their usual pattern?
Are you working from home at the moment? Asking about a current temporary arrangement. Right now, this period. Things might be different from usual. Are you?
Do you enjoy your job versus are you enjoying your new job?
Do you enjoy your job? A general question about ongoing satisfaction, their usual feeling about work.
Are you enjoying your new job? Asking about the current experience of a recent change. How is it going right now? Are you?
Do you live with your parents versus are you still living with your parents?
Do you live? A factual question about their current permanent arrangement.
Are you still living? Checking on a situation that might be changing. Still, right now, still ongoing. Are you?
Do you feel nervous before presentations versus are you feeling nervous right now?
Do you feel nervous? A general question about their pattern, their usual experience, their characteristic response.
Are you feeling nervous right now? Asking about their emotional state in this exact moment, right now, before this specific thing. Are you?
The same topic, nervousness, but two completely different questions. One about the pattern, one about the moment.
Now, the most common mistakes, because they come up constantly.
Mistake 1. Using are you for general habit questions. Someone meets a new person and says, "Are you liking coffee?"
Coffee preference is a general habit, a regular taste, not a current action. So, do you like coffee? Present simple. Do you?
Are you liking something sounds like you are asking if they are enjoying coffee right this second, or if they are currently developing a liking for it. It is not wrong in every context, but for general preference, do you like is much more natural.
Mistake 2. Using do you for something happening right now. Someone is clearly in the middle of something and you ask, do you eat right now?
Right now signals the current moment, something in progress. So, are you eating right now? Present continuous. Are you?
Do you eat right now sounds like you're asking about a habit, like do you eat at this time of day regularly, which is a very different question.
Mistake 3. The ing confusion with are you. People say, are you know the answer? Or, are you understand this?
Are you needs the ing form of the action verb. Are you knowing? Not natural. Are you understanding? Not natural. Because know and understand are stative verbs, states, not actions.
For stative verbs, states of mind, use do you. Do you know the answer? Do you understand this? Present simple. Do you?
Now let's hear do you and are you living together in a real, natural, energetic conversation. Two people on a first date getting to know each other.
So, do you live far from here?
About 20 minutes. Do you know this area well?
Reasonably well. Are you from around here originally?
No, I moved here a few years ago. Are you enjoying the city?
I love it. Do you find it easy to meet people here? I always find new cities a bit lonely at first.
It can be. Are you new to the city then?
Fairly new. I moved 8 months ago. Do you work nearby?
Yes, just around the corner actually. Are you working in the city center too?
For now, yes. Do you enjoy what you do?
Most of the time. Are you happy in your job currently? You mentioned wanting a change.
I am figuring it out, but tonight I am not thinking about work. Are you having a good time?
I really am. Do you want to order dessert?
The perfect ending to the date conversation.
Let's notice every form.
Do you live far? General situation. Where they normally live. Do you?
Do you know this area? General knowledge, a fact. Do you?
Are you from around here? Current state. Background. Where they are from. Are you?
Are you enjoying the city? Current experience, ongoing, this period of their life. Are you?
Do you find it easy? General experience. Characteristic. Do you?
Are you new to the city? Current situation, recent and ongoing. Are you?
Do you work nearby? General arrangement. Their regular situation. Do you?
Are you working in the city center too? Current arrangement, this period. Are you?
Do you enjoy what you do? General satisfaction. Habitual feeling. Do you?
Are you happy in your job currently? Current state, right now, this period. Currently, signal word. Are you?
Are you having a good time? Current experience. Right now. This evening. Are you?
Do you want to order dessert? General desire, a preference in this moment asked as a general question. Do you?
14 questions. Do you and are you woven perfectly through a natural conversation, each one in exactly the right place.
Because the speaker felt the difference. Habit and pattern, do you? Current moment and state, are you?
Final part, and let's make everything stick with some practice before we close.
I will give you a question with a blank. Choose do you or are you? Think about what the question is really asking, a habit or a current moment. Then Sarah gives the answer.
Ready? Let's go.
Blank usually wake up early.
Do you? Usually. A regular habit. A pattern. Do you usually wake up early?
Blank feeling better today.
Are you? Today. Current state. This specific day. Are you feeling better today?
Blank know where the nearest pharmacy is.
Do you? Know is a state of verb, a general fact, not a current action. Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is?
Blank coming to the meeting this afternoon.
Are you? A near future arranged event, currently being decided. Are you coming to the meeting this afternoon?
Blank speak any other languages besides English.
Do you? A general ability,
A permanent fact about skills. Do you speak any other languages?
Blank, still waiting for your results.
Are you? Still. Ongoing at this moment. A current situation. Are you still waiting for your results?
Blank, prefer tea or coffee.
Do you? A general preference. A habitual taste. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Blank, enjoying the new neighborhood.
Are you? Current experience. A recent change. An ongoing feeling about the new place. Are you enjoying the new neighborhood?
Blank, think this is a good decision.
Do you here is asking for a general opinion, a considered view, not a right now action. Do you think this is a good decision?
Blank, working on anything interesting at the moment.
Are you? At the moment. Current period. Something currently in progress. Are you working on anything interesting at the moment?
Every single one. The intent behind the question guided the choice every time.
Let's close with the final clear summary. Short, powerful, yours forever.
Do you, the present simple question. Use it to ask about habits, routines, and regular patterns of life. Use it to ask about permanent facts and general abilities. Use it for general preferences and opinions. Use it for stative verbs. Know, understand, believe, think, prefer, want, need, like. Use it with signal words like usually, often, always, never, in general, every day.
Are you? The present continuous question. Use it to ask about what someone is doing or experiencing right now. Use it to ask about current temporary situations or states. Use it to ask about arranged near future plans, always followed by the ing form of the action verb. Use it with signal words like right now, at the moment, currently, these days, still, today, this week.
The quick check. Am I asking about their general life pattern? Do you? Am I asking about right now or a current situation? Are you?
General pattern, do you? Right now and current, are you?
Say it one last time with us.
General pattern, do you? Right now and current, are you?
That is your compass. That is everything.
And remember, every conversation you have in English begins with a question, the right question, the question that shows you understand not just the words, but the moment you are in.
Do you feel more confident about this now? General feeling. Do you?
Are you ready to go and use it? Right now, this moment. Are you?
Both, perfectly placed, as always.
If today's episode helped you, please share it with someone who is learning English. Every share helps this community grow.
Subscribe to English Flow Podcast and come back every week for real, natural, flowing English made just for you.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm William. Keep flowing.